Nigeria for adwum to phobia na ye from P-Square. P-Square we obi wo Ghana for adwum to for. But we dey Nigeria for a P-Square ba ko de Peter na ba ko nso e de po anuanu mienu Nyankopon amomone kama wo mo de bondom e de G sebe maba wa ne mrantie ani e wo wiase afa na nyina nana nsemmenti me ho asibi abesi eye anuanu ntem na che se separation kakra aba eye P-Square mu Peter and Paul no separation kakra aba mu ntem na ano eya ye din na nti omu separate be 2 years no ena omu atena se mpanifo be kasa ya mpanifo be sinkonwa se we ye wunua nti ne amu ye munjai se bibi se sikasem bi na asia munjai ase mpanifo sete wo mu ema omu san be ka bo mu biom ye hu fofia ntoata ase wo mu asan tete antokwa no aye gidigidi anu adin papa na ba ko aye Peter no ono grant interview e wo Nigeria no no angasa de nsem anasa akosem anasa ne ekoso wo mu mienu entem no wodi ni nyina etudwo no angasa ne num nsem a wo no e de ba abonte na attention TV for ye pesa wo so fa kwan we so na wo tie ne ma separation no e ba ye ma ye ntie eye P-Square omanum nsem emrasisia.
Trust me, it's not everything I would love to say. I've never spoken, but something has made me to start opening up, because especially the key element that keeps bringing this problem. So there are always key element that's bringing this problems. In the eyes of the public, they tell you he's the elder brother, he's doing this, he's doing that's what. So we came back now. He was not even in the picture at all. He's no manager, no director, nothing. He was still on his own. Why is it happening?
So you can say that there are a lot of things that people don't know that you just assume.
A lot, and that's why I always tell people: mind the people you bring close, especially people that were never there when you were somewhere. Then all of a sudden they came. All of a sudden they now start telling you some things. Why you allowing him do all the song? Why are you making them looking at you as a dancer? Call him the singer. You start getting into your head,
and it starts to grow.
And you start growing. Then you start acting somehow, you know. So,
but can we say just like she asked, are P-Square good right now?
No,
they're not.
Well, I said before. I will tell you I don't say anything about it, but something happened that I didn't begin to see that I need to start speaking up, because it got to a level where I can, like what I never expected happened to me, you know.
Like you don't want to go into details.
Not like I don't want to go into details. Like I said,
the fans are just hungry and they're just like, you know.
See, that hunger, when they face the Nigerian hunger, when they leave the music side. If you want, sometimes when I say things, they'll be like, why am I saying it as if I'm bragging? It's still the same thing you will hear. It's still the same voice you will hear. Nothing changes. I'm not saying it because I want to. Everybody, these are 3 brothers. I would say 4 brothers. One does the costume. 4 brothers. Everybody has their part they are playing.
So was it a money thing?
It's not money.
Okay, so what is it?
It's not money.
Nah, just
it wasn't money.
It seems like from what you said, right? There is an issue with P-Square, and it's not something happened.
Bro, let me give you an example. It's more like this is Coke. Okay, let's just assume this is a bottle of Coke. All right, you can continue changing whatever you're changing around it, but you see, there's a product inside.
So that's branding.
So let's say if there's cocoa, water and sugar or whatever sangria that made this thing taste like this, and people love it and people stick on it. You can't wake up one and say I want to start putting salt inside.
Okay,
that's the situation that was happening. And then all of a sudden it became something of you be the one doing all the music. Now you have to move. Let me be the one taking care of doing the music. And it became something like, you see, I was being accused of keep saying that he's the dancer, I'm the singer. I was accused of such. But I know whenever we go to airport or people see us together, I say, are you the singer or the dancer? I didn't know it was touching him. But I know there's a time we'll come together and say, don't allow this thing get into you. You should be proud of what you're doing.
We actually love the dynamic, to be honest. We love it.
Because that's the part you're playing. So you know? So now, all of a sudden, I can guarantee you that maybe because you guys are media, we have a song that we did with T.I. You know the song?
Bring It On. Oh yeah, with TI. What's it called? I keep forgetting the name of that song.
Ejajo,
yes,
now,
yes.
That was when the issue started. Paul, you need to let me start. And the song came out featuring T.I. Till today, I believe it's like 15 years. It's still on 3 million views. Why? Because the content of that song, they did not hear that voice. They did not hear that kind of thing they want to hear. They have something to say. They said it's not peaceful. You know, as much as I see peaceful in the video, nothing. You see, like I said, it's bad friends that can bad people start telling you that, and you start want to prove. Okay, now the new P Square came back, and because I don't want the issue that used to happen before, I said, you know one thing, show yourself. Okay, bring yourself in. Let's do it together. This time, tell me what is it that you didn't like before. Okay, now you started singing. Okay, good. And just because I don't want us to lose that P Square touch. And I made it clear, if we're going to do anything like 10 songs, let 5 be coming from you, let 5 be coming from me.
Equal.
When I mean 5 coming, I don't need to be stressed about I'm doing a song, I'm writing a song. I don't want to be distracted by you changing the how it goes.
Sound
so
and everything.
Let it remain. Because you can drop 10 track album, 3 can be the hit, and it's a successful album.
Yeah, true.
So I needed to protect it, but it wasn't working.
So do you feel like the being people?
But that's
like,
why now, whenever I do the rude boy, everybody keeps saying, "But this thing they are hearing now," because I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
But if I can't, the new P Square was more like, okay, there was peace, there was everything, but I needed the mistake of all that stuff not to happen. And all of a sudden, him the same thing again, saying he's no more doing. Okay, fine, you're not doing. Okay, fine. Okay, that means what's going to happen now?
So
in fact, the one I even had was he told me in his face that in fact he wants to quit. I said, okay, can we make it public? No. What would that happen? When I go solo, they'll call me the bad person. Do you understand what I'm saying?
That's why you're speaking out more now.
So now that's why I said I need to start speaking, because otherwise I just record music. Bro, I have thrown out something music just landing there. I don't know what to do with it. You understand?
Yeah.
So I need to start. I'm not saying anything to condemn anybody, but I want to let at least I think the fans need to start knowing so that they do not feel as if what is going on. There's nothing that's going on.
Is there a gang up against him or something like that? Are they trying to marginalize him and stuff like that? Yeah.
Now this thing was happening like December last year.
Wow.
What happened this year? I was invited by the EFCs. A repetition against me and my other brother. And I did not expect, I never thought it would come to this part. I thought it was just music thing. Then next thing, people are telling me, what did you do? Somebody say you're going to go to jail 20 years. They're going to lock you up. What did I do? Okay, I got there. Okay, what is it? They told me everything. They've already printed all my account statement, everything, put it on the table. Explain this. First of all, what entered my mind? What if I was a bad person? I'm even doing one dubious like a Yahoo boy. I saw this guy, they don't just finish me.
I am not some a desi will be a drum to follow. Obey a near sea way tomati. I be a near Sikasem and Nasabi, or band tin a bema win in our back. Master said, you better share video national Nigeria for no more than crowd to our say, what so would China differences be. One more chance and almost at a national way. Ever, a pian to an ambassador in Levy. Macron.